Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera here, co-founder of MDC Trading Academy. With today's pre-market forecast for Friday, December the 18th, we're also going to do our end-of-week review. Let's look at news of the items this morning. As we are aware, there is nothing on the docket for today. Everything happened between Wednesday and Thursday, nothing on Friday, so we have nothing to worry about in reference to news. What's happening in the markets, my friends? Absolutely incredible, this market, the ability to continue to make all-time highs. We had an all-time high of 37.1550 yesterday. Overnight in the pre-market, we're up to 37.23. What's interesting about this, folks, even though the volatility has been decreasing, volume has been pretty steady. We're averaging about 971, but we've had 3 or 4 days over 1 million. So that's a really, really good sign. Now, markets are making their moves and they're just sitting there. They're just making moves. So the idea is to catch the moves as they're happening. But lately, the markets have been pretty much making their moves. Like, for example, yesterday made a move overnight. Started to consolidate. Looks very similar to what's happening today, as we can look at another of our time frames to try to make sense of this. As you can see, there's the move. Remember, yesterday we had the one move. We had the one move, and here's the market kind of consolidating. Here's today's move, and here you can see clearly. You can clearly see here's the all-time high. You can see pretty much very easy to recognize areas of resistance and support. There's your resistance. Our support is coming off a previous all-time high. You see, here's the move. You have your pop, and there's your move. You have your FOMOs on each side. You have a FOMO to the top, which is the all-time high, one to the bottom. That's pretty much where all of the activity is happening today. You can see it more clearly here in an analysis chart here. Here's our analysis chart. You can see it more clearly. As you can see, here is the intraday high from yesterday. Here's the intraday low. Here's a breakthrough the intraday high overnight. That's our new all-time high of 37.23. Here is a break below. So if you can see, you have a FOMO below the intraday low. You have a FOMO above the intraday high, and all of the activity is pretty much happening here. So what are we looking at right now? Well, what I did is I just did a quick retracement. A Fibonacci retracement from that swing low to the swing high, so I can find common areas. You notice how you have your resistance here as the intraday low. Anywhere in between here could be a retracement for more continuation. Any break below there, we're expecting more continuation to the downside, potentially trying to retest this area here. Now, here's what's interesting. What's interesting here is we know what happens when the market gets here. Look at the way the market behaved. Here, this pretty much reached this area late afternoon yesterday. About 2 in the afternoon, late afternoon. And here's the low that we set up towards the end of the morning. Towards the end of the morning. So what do we end up with? We end up with, if the market decides to come back into this area, we know exactly how the market behaved. This is pretty much how the market opened yesterday. Very slowly, just churn. That's pretty much what it did within that area yesterday. So if it gets back into this range here between this intraday high, this support and resistance area, we know what's going to happen, but we can expect a little bit of acceleration. If we break anytime above here, we can expect a little acceleration, and we can expect a little acceleration any break below this area. So that's what we're looking at right now. In the middle here, this is no trade area, so just be very careful. Wait for the move. Make sure you place your stops. And friends, this is our last pre-market forecast for the rest of the year, and we just want to give you thanks for watching. Thank you for your questions. Thank you for your continued communication with us. It's really been a pleasure doing this from year to year. We've been doing this for many years. We hope that this is adding value to your trading, and I hope that you can help us to find different ways to help you in the next coming year. Take care and have a very safe holiday. God bless you.